Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the opacity of an image in Adobe Express. This is a useful technique when you want to create layered designs, add text over images, or achieve subtle background effects. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your Adobe Express account. This will bring you to the main dashboard where you can start creating. Now, you'll see an option to click on Start New Design. Go ahead and click that, then select Custom Size from the options that appear. This gives you flexibility in choosing the dimensions for your project. After setting your desired size, click Create New File. Alternatively, if you already have an existing project you'd like to work on, you can select that instead. With your project open, look to the upper left corner of the screen and click the plus icon. This opens up a menu with various options. From this menu, select Media. This is where you'll access all the images and visual content you can add to your design. In the left panel that appears, click on the Photos tab. This section gives you access to a vast library of images as well as the ability to upload your own. If you have a specific image saved on your device, you can upload your preferred photo by clicking Upload from Device. Simply browse to the file location and select it. Alternatively, if you'd like to explore Adobe's photo library, you can use the search bar to find a photo that suits your needs. For example, type something like building into the search bar, then press Enter on your keyboard. This will display a variety of building images for you to choose from. Once you see an image you like, select your preferred photo by clicking on it. The image will now appear in your design workspace. At this point, you might want to resize the image if needed to fit your layout perfectly. You can do this by dragging the corners or edges of the image. Now comes the main part. In the left panel, click on Opacity. This is the tool that allows you to adjust how transparent or solid your image appears. Navigate to the Opacity section and you'll see a slider that you can use to adjust the transparency based on your preferences. Sliding it to the left makes the image more transparent, while sliding it to the right makes it more opaque. Play around with the slider until you achieve the exact look you're going for. And that's it. You've successfully changed the opacity of your image in Adobe Express, giving you more creative control over your design elements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.